Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and this is Jen's Happy Home, and I am really excited to share with you guys another ThredUp unboxing. It's been quite some time since I placed an order with ThredUp, and it's always fun to kind of open up the clothing in front of you guys just so that you can get a really realistic view of the condition that the clothing comes in, and just you can kind of see my real life reaction to it, if I love it, if I hate it, if I'm disappointed. So I just think doing ThredUp unboxings is a fun way to share the whole ThredUp experience. And if you're not familiar with ThredUp, it's basically like an online consignment shop. So what you do is just go to thredup.com and you can request for a ThredUp bag. So basically they'll send you a bag that you can fill up with all of your gently used or like new clothing. They also do take shoes and handbags. And once I have the bag completely filled up, I go ahead and send it out. They have a prepaid shipping label on it, and they will deduct, I believe it's like $9.99 towards the cost of the shipping from whatever it is that you're going to be getting paid from them. So my last experience was not very good. I was really disappointed with the amount of money that I received. This time around, I believe they credited me about $45, which was really good. So I was able to use that $45 towards a new ThredUp purchase, and that is what I am sharing with you guys today. So let's go ahead and open up. I actually have three different bags that they sent it in. I have two big envelopes and one box. So I'm really anxious to open it all up. I was waiting to get everything so that I can open it and share it with you. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very pretty, these little green polka dots, and it says 10,000 new items every single day. So there is a big variety of things to choose from. So I have this envelope, I have a larger envelope. It says pushing the envelope on second hand since 2009. I guess they're all a little bit different. So I have this one, and then I also have this box that says good vibes inside. So let's go ahead and start with the box, because I imagine the most stuff is going to be in here. And I basically purchased a lot of spring dresses because I am just thinking about the warmer weather in the spring right now. This is the time of year that I really like to buy spring items. Just show you the inside of the box. They really do a nice job packaging. I love how they wrap it. Okay, let's see what we got. Wow, this is a lot more fancy than I anticipated it would be. Okay, so this is by H&M, and it's really nicely made. Look at the lining inside. And I will do a try on too so that you guys can see what this looks like, but wow, what great quality. Look at the pretty pattern on this. I love the floral print. I'm so excited to try this on. It's really beautiful. I have another dress that I purchased from H&M, and I just really liked the quality of it. I wear it a lot, and I'm really happy with the quality of this too. Just look at the lining inside. The material is really thick and heavy and well made. Like, I could actually see wearing this to a wedding or something. It's this beautiful silk. Okay, so first dress I am really happy with, and I'm real excited to try it on. It's beautiful. And here is another spring dress, and this is by 12 p.m. by Mon Ami. And this is also a really beautiful floral pattern. I love the white with all of these bright colors. And this dress appears to be a little bit longer, and it's wide. And it's a beautiful A-line cut dress, and this looks really pretty. It's white, so I want to do a little bit of an inspection of it and make sure there's no stains or any areas that are discolored, but it appears to be in really good condition. And just look at these vibrant colors. This is so beautiful. Okay, so far so good, ThredUp. I'm really happy with these beautiful spring floral prints. Okay, and then here is another beautiful spring dress. This one actually looks like it's going to be short. I hope it's not too short. Okay, this is by XXI. And again, another beautiful floral print. all these dresses are pretty much the same. They kind of have these like 1-inch straps at the top, and then they're like an A-line kind of fitted on the top and go out at the bottom. That's just the style that I like for spring dresses. This time of year, we have a lot of events coming up, from graduation parties to communions and confirmations, you know, even just to wear to church on Sunday. I just thought all these floral dresses would be really good to have, and I would definitely get use out of them. On this dress, there's these little like belt loops. So I did actually order a pink belt to go with this. So that must be in one of the other bags. And I'm curious to see how well it goes with this. So now I'm gonna open a larger envelope and see what's in here. Never received envelopes from them before. I wonder how they package it inside. So again, they have the polka dot tissue paper. Sealing deal since 2009. The tissue paper is so pretty that they use. I'm always like so impressed with how they nicely wrap and package everything. Also, I guess just worth saying, I am not affiliated with or sponsored by ThredUp in any way. I just enjoy selling my clothes to them and buying some new clothes for each season. Okay guys, more spring dresses. So this is one of my favorite color blues to wear. I just love this really, really rich royal blue. And let me just show you the back of this. It has like this little bow, which I thought was really pretty. And then it just kind of has like this texture to it. If you guys can see that. This is very nicely lined. There is a zipper. Let's make sure that it works. Yes. Okay. And who is this by? Style Benetton. Heard of Benetton, but this just says Style Benetton, which is interesting. But anyway, Benetton is a brand that I did always love. And again, very nicely made. Another like A-line dress. Really, really pretty. And yeah, I'm really happy with this one too. Again, I'm so excited to try all of this on and see how it looks. Like, things can look beautiful, you know, just on a hanger, but sometimes when I try it on, I don't like it at all. So let's see how this stuff looks on. I think this is the last dress that I got, and this is a lot better quality than I thought it would be. Okay, this is a yellow striped dress, and this was actually from Old Navy. And what is going on back here? Okay, I thought there was a pull in it. There is a little stain actually. If you guys can see that little mark at the bottom right over here, right over there. I mean, it's a tiny stain. This is a very light dress, so I'm not really gonna let that bother me too much. But again, this is Old Navy. I thought this would be really cute for the summer months, even to wear as like a cover-up over a bathing suit. I thought it would be really pretty. And this is also really nicely lined. And I thought when I saw this online in the picture, it kind of looked like it was just a cotton, but this has more of like a silky texture to it. It looks a lot more like expensive, I guess, than I thought it would. I thought it was going to be just like a plain basic cotton, like a cotton t-shirt type of look, but it's not at all. It's really pretty. And I think even though it has like the spaghetti straps, if I wore some type of a sweater or something over it, there's a hair on here, but I'm gonna say it might be a cat hair, so I'm not gonna freak out about it. But with a little jacket or something, I would be able to still wear this to like church. So really, really pretty. I think that is all the dresses. So I have one more envelope left to open up, and my guess is that's gonna be the belt that I was just talking about. Yes, this must be the belt in this little teeny tiny package here, all wrapped up so pretty. I feel like I'm unwrapping gifts. And yes. So this is the pink belt that I purchased to go with the dress. So let's just see. This is a size 8. That's kind of big for me. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we shall try. And I do think this is a really good match. See that? I think that's going to look really pretty together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try all of this on and see how I like it. Okay guys, this dress is really pretty and I love it, but it's really tight in here. Like, I feel like I can't breathe, like my ribs can't expand. So as much as I like it, and it is a little bit short, especially for a church dress. I think this is way too short, way too tight around the ribs. It's pretty and I love that it has pockets and I love the material, but I'm thinking I may have to return it. We'll see. But I think it's really pretty. I just wish I had a little more room in here so that I could breathe. I figured my other option was I found this little sweater that I have that ties in the front and I could actually leave it like partially unzipped so that my ribs can expand and you really can't notice it or see it at all, and it just provides a little more coverage, especially with the skirt being so short. I don't like for my arms to be bare as well, and I think it's cute like this, and I probably could even wear it with black tights to make it a little like less revealing. So maybe I will keep it. We'll see. I really kind of like it with this little jacket. Okay, so I feel like this dress is a lot more age appropriate. It's way longer than the other dress and it fits really nice. It doesn't have pockets, so I don't like that part of it. But otherwise, I really like the top. I love all of the floral colors and I think it's really pretty. I like that it's a little bit longer. It goes a little bit past my knees and yeah, it's really pretty. So I really like this one. The belt was way too big, so I kind of had to make some adjustments to it. Again, it has no pockets, but I really love the print on this. They're really bright, springy colors, and I like it a lot. I think this is really, really cute. And the length on this is pretty good. It's a little bit shorter than the last one. It's like right above the knees, but I think it still looks really cute. So yeah, definitely this is a dress that I am going to keep for the spring and summer months. I really like it a lot. Okay, so you guys will have to tell me what your favorite dress is at the end. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. I put my hair up so that you can see the back. It has like this pretty bow on the back, which I thought was really cute. And it's kind of like flouncy. I don't know. Not sure how I feel about this one. So far, the only dress that had the pockets was the one that I couldn't breathe in. So this one doesn't have any pockets, but I think it's cute. It's very comfortable. I feel like it's a little bit roomy and big on me, but definitely appropriate for communion parties or church events. It has a good length to it. And yeah, I think this is going to be a keeper too. Okay, and here is my last casual Old Navy dress. It's just the yellow and white stripes. I think it's really cute for the summer. I could actually even see wearing this like as a cover up at the beach. It's a really light material and it's really cute. It's very comfortable, and I'm just wearing this with some Keds and I think it looks really cute. Well, I hope that you guys like this video. I love making these type of like unboxing and try on videos. They're always so much fun to make. I kind of feel like a little girl again, just like playing dress up and trying on clothes. So they're a lot of fun. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe down below so that I can update you every time I have a new video to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. And go ahead and follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram. In the description below, there will be a little like promo code for ThredUp if you do want to give it a try. There will be a discount for your first order, and I hope that you guys all have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.